Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is an awesome day. Carmen and I are getting ready to go on a PNW Drives car rally. It's Pacific Northwest Drives. You can look them up on Facebook and YouTube. Click subscribe and follow. So we decided to take the Del Sol out. So yesterday we got that detailed up. Now, one new thing on the Del Sol is we finally did get the hood done. That's a Subaru Impreza hood scoop fabricated into the Honda Del Sol hood. Pretty slick. Now I did decide to go black with the hood. That's kind of like a little signature of mine that I do on a lot of my cars. Kind of goes with the black wheels and the black windows. One more thing that I did too is I'm working on the trunk. I was able to get a trunk floor built. It's a 3-piece trunk floor. And we do have a cooler. We just gotta get some ice. We have the Sustec hood props. Now you can see on the underside, the hood scoop fabricated in. And we did do a satin finish because this car has a satin engine compartment and satin door jambs. So we did satin under the hood, but the hood scoop was painted all gloss since it's one piece and it was gloss on the top. So we are gonna boost this car. So we're gonna do a little turbo setup. This motor was turboed before in the orange right-hand drive car, as you can see in my other videos. So, let me know guys if you want me to do a video about this Del Sol, and I will. All right, let's go see if Carmen's ready, guys. All right guys, we can't go in there yet because she's playing music and I don't want to get any copyright strikes on YouTube. So here is the DIABLO Lake Rally Run event page, and you can see that there's 2K people going or interested, and it is hosted by Pacific Northwest Drives. So go ahead and like this page, and I will leave a link to it in the description, as well as our YouTube channel. All right, guys, so we're finally ready to go. Let's get in the car. And by the way, if you guys want a Nitro hoodie, Nitro on the hood like that, and Nitro Autolab across the chest. You ready, babe?
Yes. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, I don't know where she came from, but goddamn, I wanna say some. She a dime, wanna make her mine. Heard through the grapevine, she a great time.
All right, guys, we're just pumping some gas. Carmen's inside grabbing some ice. We're off to the pre-meet, guys. This is what happens. You just sticks those feet on my clean dash.
I would put her on the roster, cause she keeps on getting hotter and hotter. Ooh, baby, let's go. She doesn't take it slow.
Alright guys, we're just pulling into the pre-meet, and there's it already looks like there's about 100-something cars or so.
Ooh, baby, let's go. She doesn't take it slow. She's putting on a show. She's acting like a pro. Ooh, baby, let's go. Ooh, baby, let's go. Oh, she looking straight from the city. Oh man, she looking so pretty. Goddamn, I'd like to get busy. Yeah, so baby girl, come with me. Yeah, we take it outside, oh yeah. Wanna stay up all night, oh yeah. Wanna get it all right, oh yeah. Now she wanna skip the slide. She got a fine ass body with her head on straight, and she look a little naughty, but that's a-okay. Now I wanna get a drink, just you and me. I don't really wanna think, I just wanna be. She giving 3rd-degree burns, man, I think I need a doctor. Got me concerned, cause she got me hot and bothered. Everything she earned, didn't get it from her father. Man, you think I learned, but she turns me to a monster. Let's go. She doesn't take it slow. She's putting on a show. She's acting like a pro. Oh baby, let's go. She doesn't take it slow. She's putting on a show. She's acting like a pro. Oh baby, let's go.
Damn.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
I like the big ass tall wing.
Oh, dude.
Hey man, how's it going?
How you doing?
Good.
Good to see you.
Yeah.
I seen you on the freeway.
Right. I was a few minutes late because I totally thought we were meeting at a different location.
Yeah.
I'm an
we
idiot.
drove to Arlington.
That's where we met for this run last year. So in my head, I was just programmed.
Right.
And then halfway there, I'm like, I better just put in the address. And it told me to turn around. I'm like, oh shit. So like 20-minute delay.
Whoops.
Seems like that's the most popular thing right now. Subaru Beam, Subaru Beam, Subaru Beam. I'll check this out. It's the Lightning, supercharged.
Hey, how are you?
I remember getting too drunk with my best friends. I remember getting fucked up with my girlfriends. I remember drinking all nights on the weekends. I remember wishing this night wouldn't ever end. I remember teaching her to mini putt from beyond, that's what's up. First date, getting drunk. Second date, I fell in love. I can never get enough. Life can get a little tough when it gets a little rough. You look back at the good stuff. Sipping on some whiskey with a girl who's feeling frisky, and my world is spinning tipsy. Man, this alcohol just hit me, baby. Are you coming with me? Take a shot and let's get busy. Got the whole damn night, let's do something hella risky. I just wanna make a memory. She don't wanna ever leave, wanna leave a legacy. We're sipping on the balcony, I'm mixing like it's alchemy. I'm fixed on her anatomy. We're living life lavishly, we live it like a fantasy. Sometimes I drink too much, sometimes I get too drunk, but every time I wake up, I think to myself, I love being hungover. Sometimes I drink too much. Sometimes.
See anything you can't live without?
That Mark 4
What?
Supra. Right.
Okay.
I know, right?
Supra's right over here.
Already talking crap? Shit talkers. Real friends don't talk shit.
Yes, they do.
We all did. It wasn't just me.
Rolling up every day, having good times. Don't care what they say, I'ma stay on my own line. I can almost taste every place we were drunk down. You cannot replace all these days, those were good times. Oh God, you drive them crazy every time they see you, baby. Looking fine and like a lady, like a dime you got them chasing. By design their hearts are racing, so I told myself the statement: if you want it, then go take it. Make a move and don't be patient. Never had a doubt that I wanted to be famous. Never had a doubt that I wanted to be ageless. Never had a doubt that I wanna make changes. Never had a doubt that I wanna go places. Life is all about taking risks, taking chances. Life is all about freedom and
All right, guys, so we just got back home. The run went great. There was lots of cars. I hope you guys enjoy the footage, and please remember to click that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Time to enjoy the rest of the weekend.
Oh yeah, I roll up to the party with the handle of Bacardi, and I pass it off to all of my friends. Oh yeah, she rolls up to the party in a dress that shows her body, and she's hanging out with all of her friends. Yeah, yeah, let's go. Yeah, she wants to play it like that. Look her in the eyes and she's looking right back. Feel the heat rise with the right contact. She's playing with her hair, so I know she likes that. Yeah, I can feel the beat now. All I wanna do is get her out of the crowd, and on the dance floor with the bass so loud, making my move through the room right now. She used to dance, but then she never danced again. Something in her is dead, but now she has a chance again. So dance, baby, dance again. Take my hand, baby, dance again. It's your chance, baby, dance again. Let's just dance, baby, dance again.